6.7%. That's what index investing actually returns after inflation. You've done the math. You know that's not going to get you where you want to be. You contribute to your 401k. You bought the index funds. You were patient. You followed the playbook. And once you run the numbers, you realize it doesn't actually add up. Not because you did something wrong, but because the playbook is broken. But that's why we built Miiflo. It's a new playbook for people who know the old one isn't working anymore. Every morning, Miiflo scans over 8,000 stocks and ETFs. It finds what's in play, matches it to proven strategies, and delivers your daily flow. Curated investing ideas, risk defined upfront, and everything explained in plain language. You review, you decide 10 minutes a day. When you're ready to act, one click routes the order to your broker. Your accounts, your capital, and your decision. You can't control whether an investment goes up or down. You can control two things: how much you put in and how you manage the risk. Miiflo helps you build that skill. And we measure what actually matters. FlowScore tracks how consistent you are, how you manage risk, and the quality of your decisions, not just returns. Most platforms show you a number and call it a day. We give you metrics that actually teach you something, so you're learning every single day on the platform. Users with live brokerage connections were on average generating 10% returns on capital, while the SPX lost 10%. You can start with paper investing, completely free, no credit card. The old playbook isn't working. This one is. What are you waiting for?